Today we're going to learn how to make a Google Slide. This is, if you have a Gmail account, you have access to Google Slides. This is at slides.google.com. The first thing you're going to click is blank, right here where you see my mouse is. I click blank and it's going to create a new slideshow presentation for me. So over here, I can pick a theme. If you see where I'm scrolling, I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And then I can add titles in these boxes. So I click and say I'm doing a presentation on owls. I could put owls and click in this box down here and put by Mariah. If I want more slides, I bring my mouse up here to slide and click new slide. And if I'm not wanting another title page, if I bring my mouse up here to layout, here's a bunch of different slides I can pick from. So we'll do this one, and you can add text here.